Hello everyone, my name is Buried and welcome back to another episode of Atomic Heart. So if you finished the last episode, you would know that I had gotten myself stuck inside of a corner. Luckily I was able to escape free from my prison, but we're just gonna walk away from that. So yeah, last episode we ended up finding our first save station, luckily. Ooh, I didn't even see this room at first. Blocked off room. Alright. Might as well go.
Damn it, why is everything locked here?
Emergency mode was activated as soon as the robots began attacking
Really?
humans. Facility 3826 is on lockdown. That includes the inner sector.
So how am I supposed to open this door?
It's locked with an electromagnetic lock.
I just
So I need to
came
fry
from
it
this
with an
place.
electromagnetic pulse.
I was just in here.
Oh shit!
Oh my god. Jesus, it's like that one Transformer. I don't... Legs gone. Nope. My character should have been dead. Right there. God, my legs should have been cut off.
Come on, get up, soldier. Great, just a little more. You okay?
I'm fine.
God
How many
damn.
fingers?
The
4.
Great, now get up. I need your help.
Why the... Oh,
Who are they?
They brought you here. Put pressure on this wound.
why
They tried to save you.
And who are you?
Doctor.
You got a name?
the fuck
No
does
time
she
for
have
small
some
talk.
cake?
God damn.
Forceps. Forceps, forceps, forceps!
I'm on it.
Get me them!
What's this doing here?
What took you so long?
It took me so
got a
long.
neuropolymer
but it's
cap.
taking
Don't need
me
one.
so long.
So what's your name, Doc?
Larissa, and you ask a lot of questions.
You know what? You're on your own. You got this.
Where are you going? It's useless.
God, that
We
character's
don't
an
have the
asshole.
I've got the
equipment.
equipment. Great. Now we're getting
How
somewhere.
did you do that?
You ask a lot of questions. Get out!
The fucking laser? What the... Could just solder the wound. Oh my god, right up in my fucking face.
Holy shit, avoid the beam!
And he's just gonna walk in on fire all like that. Alright. Ah. Nope. Gonna get this dodge. Yeah, you aren't the only one that can dodge. It's gonna roundhouse kick me like... Oh my god. It's already at half health. Heal. Heal. Nope. Dodge. 2 swings. Nope. Heal. Dodge. 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 Oh my god.
Ooh. Terminated. Charles, where does the shaft Larissa crawled into go?
Jeez, it's gonna
It's
take a
hard
while
to
to
say.
get used to
The
this.
ventilation system contains a large number of branching ducts.
Fine, I can deal with it later.
Oh. Puzzle lock here? What am I using? I could not see what was going on there.
It worked.
What was that? It was like... It's interesting. Oh, no. No. It's like a horror game now? Siren?
A lullaby? I don't like this.
Neither do I, man.
Charles, what's on the other side of the door?
That's Nora's voice.
Nora.
She's very dangerous.
Who's Nora? What do you know that I don't?
What the fuck? Fuck me!
Oh, what a stud! I can't get
What the
enough of you, Jux.
Nora's a fridge?
You to the bed, baby.
Ah, she's fucking me up.
Fight back, sugar. Oh, you're gonna love this.
Don't let her bind your arms.
Can't you
I think
see
we're
I'm
already
trying?
too late for
What are
that.
the suggestions?
Bring me to her sensor manipulator. Quick!
How titillating! Rebellious dominant men really turn me on.
Oh, wow.
And it's Kiki.
All right, just let me at you.
Wait, that's
What
it?
a brute. I love
All the other
you
tentacles,
guys.
and that's the
I'm
specific
on
one?
fire.
Or is it just any of the
I
tentacles?
can't reach her.
I'm trying. She's one strong
Move your
ass
arm.
bitch.
I'm at your service, sugar. Anything for my master? What can I do for you?
What the fuck just...
More skills will become available
What?
to you soon. But choose shock for now.
We're just fine with that shit? I don't know what that fridge wanted to do with me. I didn't know if it wanted to eat me or fuck me. But goddamn.
You were fortunate enough to acquire about 50 grams of neuropolymer. I suggest exchanging this dose with lovely Nora for a new skill. You don't
I guess
mind,
I will.
do you?
Oh, how can I resist? Now let me show you what I can do. Professionally, I mean.
I've seen it.
Hopefully
Literally.
professionally.
Crispy critters.
I am here to help you upgrade your red-hot pocket rockets. And believe
Oh my
me,
God.
handsome, you can upgrade whatever tickles your fancy.
Weapons
Oh my
are
God.
useful. Open the corresponding window, Major.
Get rid of that glove, handsome. You don't need
This
him
fridge
anymore
really
now
wants
that you've
it.
got me.
Oh my god.
I'll service you however you want. Got a sword? A massive sword? Thrust it deep into my socket so I can make it sturdier and sharper.
Nora can upgrade weapons and equipment, as well as manufacture new items
Oh my
from
God.
blueprints. To do this, provide the repair vendor with the resources you will undoubtedly find as you rummage through the entire area.
You can fill me with whatever you want, big guy.
God damn.
Insert your axe. I'll give you the time of your life.
You're sick, you know that?
Deeper? Again? Oh, yes, honey, more.
Oh my God.
Yes, but I can do so much more. A quick romp with your axe is just a taste of things to come, you handsome beast. Did you enjoy it?
think I'm fine.
Big guy?
Yeah. Cool.
Use this
Yeah.
powerful weapon to split the skulls of your enemies and bring me gifts so we can get down and dirty.
No lie. I think I just found my favorite character so far. Already, even though she's a robot, she shows so much more expression than our actual character.
I'll show you what real smut feels like.
Why should I bring you gifts?
Girls like being pampered.
Because
Of
the
course,
repair vendor
I'm talking
needs
about Granny with a
resources
gun.
to break them down and produce items. Luckily for us, it's not very picky, although some upgrades may call for unique components.
I take it the facility is full of all kinds of junk.
It is indeed, Comrade Major.
I'll keep an eye out then.
I can't wait
And
for
am I
your
just gonna
strong
see this
hands
thing
to
in every-
grope my interface with lustful
Jesus Christ.
abandon.
That's it. We're done here.
Yes, we
Let's
are.
go.
That's enough of sexual fridge there. God. Are we back in the... No.
Great, the goddamn elevators are out. What am I supposed to do? Jump down?
They've no power. If you reconnect the power, they'll start working again.
So it looks like I need to find a circuit breaker.
Alright,
But where the
I think
hell
it
is
wants us to go
I can follow
upstairs.
the wires, but they're all hidden inside the walls.
Electrical emissions can be detected via scanner.
Another one of those. This thing was fucking trippy.
Supply room's locked. Well, that's just fucking great. I can't just snap my fingers here. I need a key. And let me guess. You can't open this lock, can you, Charles?
Unfortunately not.
Oh.
But I can set a waypoint you can use to find the key. It should be in a nearby workspace.
You're finally starting to come in handy.
Alright, so they are kind of like puzzles. I guess the farther I get into this game, the more of them I have to do, the more modules that will appear on them. Locked. So I guess I do have to head upstairs. Yeah. Alright.
But take care. There's a dandelion security camera up ahead. If it detects us, this place will be swarming with robots.
Take it easy. I can always distract it by throwing something, then knock it out with an EMP.
How the fuck do I EMP? I guess that's something new I got, right? Is that what Y is? God damn it. Where's the flower pot when you need it? Is it not even in here? Oh my god. You stop dodging everywhere. I think that's it in the background right there. So gotta make sure I didn't leave anything behind. Oh, is that it? Or is that just the light? Whoa, what the fuck? Is that just suspended trash? Awesome.
Comrade Major, you said you knew how to avoid the camera. I expected more subtlety from a professional such as
I didn't know the
yourself.
fucking camera was
Sometimes you
right
just need to
there.
go in guns blazing. This was one of those times.
Alright. Oh my god. God, I didn't expect my character to swing every single time now. Nope. There we go. Yeah, I did not know that that was where that was. I guess then the item that I had to pick up, there's nothing to distract it. Nope.
Results are the physical and/or intellectual property of the Communist Party and may not be associated.
There we go. No? Now apparently that plant's a little too heavy to pick up. Is there really not another object for me to pick up? Alright, well, I couldn't find a plant, so we're just gonna do it like this. Yeah, I should have done that from the beginning. If I knew where it was. Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna have to keep an eye out for those guys now. You didn't see anything. side of the elevator. The fuck? Is that a forklift? Weird ass looking forklift. Oh, look out for flowers. Does I have to do that apparently?
Chaz.
Charles.
Yeah. So, how'd Petrov get away? There are more soldiers here than civilians.
Some people believe that Petrov had help.
So he's not alone. But you said all his partners were eliminated, right? Who else is there?
That information is not yet available. We only have speculation, not facts.
Well, I'll cross that bridge when I get there.
Released from forced labor at the complex.
Alright, I think this is the way that it wants us to go right here. It's a bit more looting.
Aha! You found the key. We
That
can
little
access
chip.
the circuit breaker now.
Yep. But I'm just gonna have a look around first. I need some parts to upgrade my weapon. I won't get far with this pile of shit.
I wouldn't dream of stopping you.
Smart move, Charles. Smart move.
What is this place anyways? Like a post office? That's what it looks like with all these... whatever these are. Keep thinking that they're the cabinets for me to search. But now that we're done with that, there's still not a run.
Hey, let's put a cookie in there. Yeah, even locks like cookies, right? Charles,
Yes?
do you like cookies?
Is that it? Oh. Thought that was going to be a whole puzzle.
This is a passive security system with a laser relay. I've seen stuff like this plenty of times. You need a color code.
Unfortunately, we don't have any codes. You'll have to try to decipher it using logic.
Seriously? Like I was gonna stand here until it turns off on its own.
Like this? Unlock the passive security relay function by putting the magnetic figures in the correct order. Alright. Yeah, I can't see that. Wonder if this terminal will give me any
Try to
information
match
on
the
it.
color of the laser beams with the colors of the lights.
Never mind,
That should
it's
help.
just gonna tell me exactly what to do.
Over to third parties constitutes a crime against the party and is punishable by law.
Yeah, the power's on.
Is
Let's
that
head
really
back.
all? Alright. So yeah, I guess these ends shoots out the lights and then these are supposed to change its color. But I don't think that they were actually set to anything to change the color. It's like a bouncing Betty. Alright. I guess if that's all.
Well, which one?
I suggest the one on the right.
In other words, you don't actually know. In that case, I'm taking the one on the left.
Too bad I already chose one. Alright.
I've marked another waypoint for ease of navigation.
How dense do you think I am? I know where I need to go to complete my mission.
I was only trying to make things easier for you.
You can make things easier by getting off my grill.
Very helpful. I feel like I could have just parkoured up here. Also, I feel like I could just fall off here. Do y'all think there would be any loot down there? Nah. They wouldn't do that, would they? Okay. Let's fix this. Say, you're not gonna let me through that door?
If you recall, the door is electromagnetically locked.
Are you freaking deaf or something?
Pardon me,
Oh,
please
this
continue.
is where we are. Alright. Back here on this side. So I don't have to. God, I'm gonna have to. Combat shock. Alright. Yeah. God damn it. Oh god, the dumb is in my ass.
If you have an appointment, please contact the reception center.
Yeah, I can't get this, huh? God. I don't like that. At all. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of that power move. I thought that it was just going to be a wider swing. Didn't expect it to be a world. I don't see that thing being useful at all. Oh. Actually,
There's no
wait.
other way forward. We have to take
No, never
it.
mind.
Take it where?
Petrov escaped while working in Vavilov's cold workshop. It would be logical to begin our search there.
So, how do I get there?
First, we need to get to the distribution center. This cable car will take us there.
Okay.
Yep, dodge that. Don't worry, I already understood the assignment. Already understood what was going on.
You can swim through polymer. I've done it before. It's nice, actually. Kind of like swimming with whales and dolphins in the ocean.
Oh
So
yeah, just not gonna let me pass through that. To check to make sure there's nothing over here. It's one of those locks. Besides that, doesn't look like there's anything. So we're just gonna wait for that. What exactly is polymer? Seems like a hive mind gel. Be able to hear the thoughts of everyone else connected to it. Or at least the memories. Wonder if it's made out of like brain goo.
The cable car is offline. Reboot the control system to reactivate the line.
How am I supposed to restart the line?
There should be a control panel nearby.
Oh,
You
and
don't
yeah.
say.
Of course, there's one of these locks. I don't see how this locks that.
There's the control
But I
panel.
guess it makes
And of course
sense.
it's locked. You guys just love these things, don't you?
That's what I'm saying.
A combination lock. It'd take me a year to guess the combo.
Look around. Maybe someone has the code.
Can't unpress that?
Schematic. Need to find the schematic.
Alright, so it's a 4-digit code.
What was that?
It's got to move. Anything.
Wait, and I'm just able to go back now?
Station master. What a joke.
Wait, what?
Schematic. Need to find the schematic. Station master. What a joke.
Comrades, we're now witnessing a
They won't go without the schematic. All stuck. No schematic. No go.
Fuck me, he's alive.
Schematic. Need a schematic. Unfortunately, he's dead. We are surrounded by corpses. Quietly frozen, just like everything here. They won't go. Nope, won't go without the schematic. The dead have a residual neuropolymer memory and are capable of communicating for some time after death.
For 8 years, the USSR is planning to mass produce these magnificent mechanisms. Icaruses will be able to...
The schematic, the one I need to move the cars. Where is it?
The station master has it. He
Industrial...
didn't make it. Wasn't as fast as me. He died.
Everybody here is as dead as fuck.
Yeah.
Did the station master die in this tunnel?
This tunnel. He died. Everything froze. Right in front of my eyes. You need the schematic.
And the first such city in the clouds will be Moscow too. The brand new capital of our Soviet Union, which will soar above us all in just 10
Gotta find the station master. I just wish I knew where he is.
comrades.
Maybe I should have said thank you.
I mean, you
Holy
could have.
shit, a talking corpse.
What did you say, Comrade Major?
You know, I fought in the whole war from beginning to end. I've seen some shit. Talking, there it is.
Now, which way is it up? Is it like that it's facing up? If so,
Charles, so this isn't a dead person talking to me. It's the neuropolymer in his noggin, right?
Crudely speaking, yes. As it fades away, neuropolymer memory temporarily stores the individual's last thoughts.
Creepy. How long are they gonna talk for?
I can't say exactly. Somewhere
All right.
between a minute and a couple of days. But it seems the more time passes after death, the more corrupt the information becomes.
I see.
they're introducing all these different locks.
Isn't always that important. I hope this
Hope all
works.
of them aren't just a bunch of
The cable car
fetch.
line is activated.
Fetch the
Welcome,
code and do
passengers.
this.
Please take your seats according to your ticket.
Sorry,
We
no
are
ticket.
ready to depart. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Off we go.
Ugh, this tunnel's messed up.
Forget
It's gonna
5,
be a
4, 3,
bumpy
2,
ride.
and 1. Oh. I can expect that snake thing to come. Oh my god. Yep. We're gonna get ambushed. Whoa. Oh my. The hell was that?
Fuck. I knew it was gonna be rough.
I don't even think I made any. What? Oh my god.
You again?
Careful. There's a gap up ahead. We need to find a way to move forward.
Stop speaking to me.
I'm having trouble figuring out how.
Climbing the wall. That's how.
Do you have mountaineering training?
I'm a spec ops soldier, not some city wuss riding a desk. I've got all kinds of training.
I must admit, I'm quite glad to hear that.
I wonder if I could parkour through all that. Alright. Can I go any faster on this thing? Yes. Alright, there we go. Yeah, I guess I am going up. Up. Oh my god. The fuck? That was a close call right there. Holy shit. Was that supposed to happen? What the fuck was I supposed to do then? I just hope it doesn't send me back to that parkour section. I made quick work of those two. Where was this card before? Didn't even give it to me. Faster, please. Where he's gonna come through. A little too close to my face. And let's see, what is it wanting us to do here? I guess run back.
Charles, that was a bit off, right? A tunneling robot.
Indeed it was.
A tunneling
Robots
robot.
can drill through even the hardest minerals at incredible speed. Soviet science has high hopes for them in regard to our inevitable conquest of all the planets in the solar system.
Well, hopefully he doesn't pull any shit like that again. Because I'm not trying to respawn all the way back over here. Well, I guess that's going to be it for this episode. Because I'm not going to try to keep dying like that. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see all you guys in the next episode.